In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple inboxes in Gmail with some helpful tips and tricks. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Gmail and logging into your account. This might sound obvious, but getting set up is always the first step to success. Once you're in, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the familiar gear icon, your gateway to settings. Give it a click to unveil a drop-down menu brimming with options. From this menu, choose See All Settings. This choice will guide you to the General Settings page, a hub where many aspects of your Gmail experience can be tailored. Notice how the settings are categorized into tabs to streamline navigation, with our focus today being the Inbox tab. Go ahead and click on that. Within the inbox settings, you'll be greeted by a range of configuration options. Your goal is to locate the drop-down menu labeled Inbox Type. A click here will present a list of distinct styles. Our interest lies with multiple inboxes, a feature that opens up a world of customization, letting you dictate how your emails are viewed and managed. Once you've selected multiple inboxes, scroll onward until your eyes land on the multiple inbox sections. This is your canvas to design how your emails are categorized. Here, you can craft filters to bring certain emails to the forefront. Consider using filters like Is starred for messages you've marked as important, label Work to track work-related emails, to Me for emails addressed specifically to you, or Has attachment for emails containing attachments. Reflect on what categories would best serve you and input them into the fields provided. Now comes the fun part, personalizing these sections by assigning them intuitive names. Think about naming choices like starred or work emails. Clear naming makes identification a breeze, helping you manage at a glance. With names set, you get to decide where these inbox sections will appear on your screen, whether you prefer them flanking your right side or nestling below the main inbox area. This decision hinges on what seamlessly integrates with your daily email operation. Finally, and importantly, remember to save your changes. Simply scroll down to the page's bottom and click Save Changes. This critical step will ensure all your personalized settings are preserved, rendering your email setup all set for effectiveness. And there you have it. You've successfully equipped your Gmail with multiple inboxes, enhancing your organizational skills and boosting your productivity. This setup transforms how you handle communication, allowing you to concentrate on what truly matters. I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do in streamlining your email experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.